You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Very confusing name, this one. Let's learn how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned until the end of the video. We've got many more coming up that are confusing. You'll learn a lot there. Eicosanoids is how to pronounce it. I know it's a bit of a mouthful. Let's break it down. They are signaling molecules. Eicosanoids. The stress is on the co syllable, the second syllable. Eicosanoids. It's easy once you know, and now you know eicosanoids. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.